Using variables. What's a variable first of all? Variables are a way of storing different information in our device. The variables that we define can be accessible through the name we give to them, and the computer will be in charge of determining where the variables will be stored, in the computer's RAM, for example. Variables, just like the term indicates, can be modified. In other words, its contents are variable. Different types of data that we can define for our variable exist, just like Boolean, which is a logical value, so true or false. Short, int, and long, which are whole numbers, meaning they have no decimal point. Float and double, which are numbers with decimal point. Then we have byte. And char, which is a Unicode character. In Java programming, it should be simple code. In the next video, we will start writing a variable. So see you in the next video.